So very quickly in this video, I'll be sharing with you this very yummy medicinal juice you will fall in love with. It doesn't only taste yummy, but has a lot of health and medicinal benefits you should fall in love with. Like after watching this video till the end and learning the benefits of this drink, trust me, you will fall in love with it. So yummy. Not just so yummy, it is fat burning, will help lower your cholesterol levels, lower your blood pressure. Like it has a lot of health and medicinal benefits. So without wasting much of your time, I will take you now and show you how to come up with this goodness yourself at home. Feel free to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. So in order to make a healthy drink with a lot of health and medicinal benefits, the first ingredient we'll be using will be dried hibiscus flowers. So some people call it zobolo drink, zobo drink, foleri. Like it has so many names to this drink depending on the country you are, but it is made with dried hibiscus flowers. So if you don't know how to get it or you've never seen this before, you can get the link at my comment section on where you can get it. You don't want to miss this drink because it has a lot of health and medicinal benefits. So I'll be using 4 cups, like 4 of these tiny cups. I'll just measure like 4 cups, like a handful of these dried leaves. It helps to lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol levels, help you lose weight as well. It equally helps with a lot of antioxidants to fight and prevent oxidative stress causing cancer. Like this is so medicinal with a lot of benefits. You want to try this drink. So this is it. I'll wash up the ingredients because this is how you just get it from the pack after you buy it. You want to wash it up so you don't put bacteria in your system, but this is how it looks like: dried hibiscus leaves. So this is it washed. I've washed the ingredient so well. You want to use a strainer to really wash. This is so medicinal with a lot of benefits, most especially for high blood pressure, to lower your cholesterol, and equally help you for weight loss. The second ingredient I'll be using, sorry I'm so fast because I don't want my videos too long. I'll be using pineapple peel with the pineapple as well. So I'll be using the peel to cook with the high. In short, just watch the procedure. But pineapple peel has a lot of medicinal benefits as well for the skin. It contains a lot of the bromelain we need to help break down food store up, causing obesity, which is a health complication. So you can always have that good size without gaining a lot of weight. Like this awakens your metabolism and help you cleanse your organs as well. So this is it. This is the pineapple peel. You want to slice into some good sizes and keep aside. Then you slice your pineapple into some sizes that you can easily like blend. So I'll be making like, just watch the procedure anyway. Pineapples are very good because of the bromelain to help you break down food, store up fats in your system so you can always stay in shape and healthy. So I want to prepare all the ingredients before I show you what I'm boiling or what I'm blending to come up with the drink. The next ingredient I'll be using will be ginger. Ginger too is very good at helping you break down food store up, cleansing your system so everything metabolizes without store up causing obesity, because obesity is something that leads to hypertension, blood pressure, diabetes. All those health complications are due to food buildup or fat buildup in your system. So this breaks everything down so you can be in shape and healthy with that healthy size. So this is my ginger, just like an inch of ginger or 2 inches of ginger. You want to chop into some good sizes and voila, that is it. The next ingredient I'll be adding in here will be lemon. Lemon too is very good. So I'll be slicing up the lemon because I need the benefits from the peel and the lemon itself into these. So I'll just slice into some good sizes that I will like cook up to get the benefits of the peel. This is so medicinal and cleanses your system and organs. Like this is something you want to really try and your system will thank you. So I will not be adding sweeteners in here. So this is what I'm trying to achieve as my sweetener, to have this taste sweet in the mouth, without which, yeah, you just want to get some oranges because this is what will actually sweeten up the drink. So it is really natural. So I'll be adding 2 oranges. You want to just get your oranges and get the juice out of your oranges. If you like, you can add in another fruit like grapefruit, but just these oranges are okay. I just love the taste of grapefruit, so I'm adding. It is optional. If you don't have grapefruit or you don't eat grapefruit, you can skip it, but I just like to add it for more taste and flavor to the drink as well. Like it would taste like a cocktail in your mouth, so nice. A cocktail, a blend of fruits. So the next thing I'll be adding will be cinnamon. So you want to watch how I'll come up with this because you will know how I use this cinnamon in this drink. So voila, the next thing you want to do now is to get your pot. You start with the boiling. I'll be boiling the peels and the hibiscus leaves with the lemon peel and my tablespoon of cinnamon powder. So you just want to measure a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. If you have the cinnamon stick, you can just throw the stick in the pot, but mine is finished, so I'm just using the powder for today. So you want to just add in 6 cups of water in here. So you add in 6 cups of water, so it really like gives you enough drink or juice that can last you for some days. Because trust me, these are the kinds of drinks I consume now. I hardly go for those sugary, unhealthy drinks. Like these are the kinds of drinks I make to enable my system always healthy, make my metabolism and my system always active and healthy. So you want to add in some your ginger in your blender now. I'm trying to come up with a juice to add into that the ingredients I'm boiling. Like just watch the procedure because I'm not boiling this. I'm trying to achieve juice from here to use it to add in the drink at the end. Like just watch, yeah. So this is my pineapple and ginger. I will not be adding the orange and the grapefruit. I will try to sieve them later, but I'm blending the pineapple and ginger now. Like watch. So after you blend and you get it smooth, you want to use your strainer to kind of like get the juice. This is juice or drink. This is not a smoothie. So you want it really smooth. So you want to extract the fiber, and I'll be using the fiber. You can use the fiber to make your smoothie with. You can use the fiber to add in the drink, the one in the pot, whatever you want to do with your fiber, but don't throw your fiber. You can make a smoothie with it by just simply adding something like banana to the fiber and blend, and that is your healthy breakfast smoothie. But I'll be adding it in the pot. So I want to extract the juice and I will use the fiber. I will add the fiber in the pot of the pineapple peel and hibiscus flower. So this is my fiber I got from the pineapple and ginger, and that is the juice. So this is it. Just watch, and this is my orange and um grapefruit juice. I'm trying to sieve, so I don't need the fiber in the juice. I want to get the fiber out, and I will use the fiber as well to add in the pot, in the cooking pot, in the pot of the pineapple peel and hibiscus flower. So as I'm doing this, my ingredients are cooking in the pot on the fire as well. So I'll cook for like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and you just watch. So it has been on the fire for 20-25 minutes. So this is how you know it is ready. When you see it looking like this, you see it cooked after 25 minutes, like at most 25 minutes, you know it is okay. You can put off your stove or your gas or your, yeah, just put it off, and I'll just leave it to cool down, and I'll try to sieve these ingredients now. I'll try to get the juice out of the pineapple peel and the hibiscus flower. Like just watch what this is what you do. You want to strain and get the juice out of it. So after you get the juice, you want to strain when you've left it to cool down for around 30 minutes. So this is when you now add in the juice from your pineapple and your ginger. and stir, and you can now add in the juice from your orange and your grapefruit and stir as well. So these fruits, like the juice from the pineapple, is kind of naturally with a good sweetness. The juice from the orange is sweet, so you don't need to add any sugar here or honey or whatever. Like, it is naturally just sweet in the mouth with that good natural sugar, without loading a lot of sugar in here. So this is how you do it. This is my own healthy method of doing it. So what you want to do now is to add in some water in the remaining in the pot, and just keep, after you're done with your drink, you can still boil this and still drink again. So it is not yet bad. You can boil the second time before you throw the peels. So this is the drink. I hope I was not so fast, because I don't want my videos to be too long, but I you could really see everything. And yeah, this is it. So healthy, without added sugars, very natural, with all natural healthy ingredients that will nourish your system, like heal you, treat your system, cleanse your system, lower your blood pressure, your cholesterol, help your system break down food without food store up, causing belly fat or obesity, which leads to other health complications like hypertension, diabetes, high blood pressure. And like, this drink is so good. This is something you want to fall in love with and add it into your daily life. Like, these are the kinds of healthy drinks you want to go for, to live a very healthy life, free of diseases and sicknesses. So I hope someone finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends, so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.